I just pooped in the kitchen, bro. We gotta go.
Mama, come here. Brother ate all the cookies. Look, come here. Look at him. Look.
Why you snitching?
He ate all the cookies, Mama. Punish him. Look.
Free.
I heard that. What are you crunching on?
Come here.
I knew it was something. What's that? Oh, God, I'm still, I can't give him out here, don't eat. Split 50, split 50-50. Split it. I'm hungry.
You want a treat?
Yeah, but I'm on a diet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Want some treats?
Let's go out to my best friend. Get my best friend. Ooh, I got it all to myself tonight. Giddy up, little homie.